Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent me over this beautiful pre-everything balayage wig. Now if you haven't gotten on to the trend, balayage and the ombres are the perfect look for the season. This one even is the perfect date night or Valentine's Day look. So I'm gonna jump into a quick and easy 10-minute install on this unit. If you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in, not the intro, this is not the intro, I'm losing it. Okay love bugs, so today we're doing a Unice video. I have not one but two Unice packages here. My favorite company in the world. So I'm trying to decide which one I want to do today without showing you guys the goodies. And I'm thinking we're gonna go for the balayage. You guys know the balayage has been my favorito of the season. They did include some goodies in the package. Now this is not a goodies, but this is the goodies that they included. So I'll show you that in just a moment. And this is the wig straight out of the box. This is going to be an easy pre-everything wig. It's like back in the days. You guys remember when like the rappers and the celebrities used to love Air Force Ones? And they used to say that they would only wear them once. Like it's time to go somewhere, even if it's just to dance. I gotta put on a new wig every freaking day. That's just my jam. So this one here is a beautiful body wave wig. She has a nice curl pattern to her right here. You guys can see the color and the vibrancy. You get a little bit of like that really nice light brown here, and it's a little bit more of a warmer, deeper brown here. I have a gamer for a son and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. He's always screaming. This here is a pre-everything wig. You can see the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. Therefore, there are no like dots or anything in the parting. And then you also have that scallop cut for camo. This one here is a closure wig, and you can see how they bleached the knots really nicely and did their big one for us. They also gave us two combs right here at the front, which kind of meet right here if you want to like tuck that part. And then if you have a larger comb, you have the adjustable straps, and then you also have your drawstring, which screenshot. And then right in the center, you also have the adjustable and removable elastic band. So I only have 17 minutes of storage space left on this here. What do you call this thing? SD card, memory card. Let's see if we can get this done in less time, especially because it's 4:05 and we need to be leaving at 4:15. So I literally only have 10 minutes. Okay, so I fired up the big curling iron as well as my electric hot comb. I'm gonna let those get warm because we're probably gonna just do a quick and easy install, no baby hair and some finesse curls. I think that sounds like the best thing. Ooh, we need a little bit of forehead. So this is what she looks like on. You guys can see the curls will drop organically. This is meant to be like a body wave more so than like a tight, you know, Shirley Temple curl situation. Here's a look at the hairline. Absolutely flawless. You can adjust it to make sure you find your center by holding down like the sides and kind of see what feels like equal or center. The hairline is nicely pre-plucked. You don't have to cut anything or customize anything unless you want to. This is what the wig looks like from the back. Absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and full, and you guys already know 24 inches is the perfect length for me. Okay, so before we get ready for the install process, I just wanted to show you guys the drawstring. This here is it. You can pull it as much as you want, and then you can like use the stopper here to kind of stop it literally exactly where you want it to go. So get it nice and tight how you want, and then kind of lift and tuck it. And then also if you want to use the comb underneath, you can also tuck that. I like to take it low and do it like into my wig cap and my braids. And then now we have a nice install, not only in the front but also in the back. Now the wig fits nice and glueless, and I actually feel confident. Like I can just like do a little quick flip over and be good to go. Let's do a little bit of melting spray up front. I'm so sorry if you can hear my son. I'm gonna have to start banning him from the game until I'm done with work. Okay, take a little bit of spray. You can do 2 coats of that by applying 1 coat, using a blow dryer to like dry it down until it gets like nice and really sticky, and then go over that with a 2nd coat, and then let that get a little less sticky but still a little bit tacky. Put the lace on top, and that's gonna give you what feels closest to like a real glue without it being a real glue. But you guys know we like to keep it really simple and not put anything that's gonna do too much. So because this one is, how do you say it, glueless, it has a glueless fit, you don't really have to do much from there. It can literally just air dry. You can also switch up the parting and do a side part. So let's go ahead and just comb out the curls and see how much we're gonna have to touch them up, if any. So this is what it's giving, and I like it. I'm gonna take Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I feel like the parting is a little bit light, so I'm gonna take the lighter color in that 16, and this is a contour shade against my skin tone. If you can tell, I'm gonna go ahead and pack this product in because I feel like going with the 15 may be too light. And that's the thing about it, is all lace is not created equally. Even when you go with the same brand that you're used to, just always eyeball it and see kind of like what is gonna look or work best. And then I'm gonna go in with that same palette and go flat on the brush and do shade 16 and pack this in. And I don't know if you can tell, but it literally will make the lace disappear respectfully. And to set that, I'm gonna just add the same or the corresponding powder in the shade 16 also. And you don't need to put it everywhere, but you just kind of want to make sure everything is set so it don't move. The one thing we did not do was the Dynamic Duo, so let's do that now. I'm gonna use this, which is the Tresemme mousse. I've never used this mousse for the Dynamic Duo, so I don't even know if it'll work. Oh, look at how good that looks. That actually works better than a Dynamic Duo. Wait a minute. That actually looks really good. And I think you can go over it because it's now like really wet. You got to move really fast because I find that when it's a little bit moist, like you can go over it, but when it's really wet, it'll hold the heat really good and burn. Okay, transparency pose. I'm so used to social media, I don't even know why I said it like that, but I feel like I left the forehead a little bit too foreheady. So we're gonna lift it and bring it forward a little bit. I'll be trying to give more forehead because I feel like, you know, that looks more natural, but sometimes it just be a little bit too much. And to me, that looks better. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will vote more for a little bit more forehead, but I like what I like. Okay, so this is what the curls look like. This side needs to cool, but let's just go ahead and give it a quick comb out. Look at that texture. Absolutely gorgeous. And it holds a curl perfectly. So once I kind of comb it out, I'll add a little more hairspray. The hairline looks absolutely perfect. Let me show you guys the hair from the back. That looks absolutely gorgeous. It's literally the perfect density. So it's nice and full and it gives you that va-va-voom. And the hair holds a curl so perfect that you don't even need to cut layers to give that nice Farrah Fawcett look. It does that nice little dip all by itself. I am in love. Okay, Love Bugs, quick and easy look. I just did a quick ponytail with two bangs up top. It's nice and loose, so it's comfortable and it gives that messy look, so you don't have to be like nervous about making it perfect or super tight. This definitely is an easy way to style your wig. Just make sure you are covering, and the easiest way to cover, you know, all your tracks and just make sure everything is unclockable is just to kind of like make it a little bit more loose and use your fingers to pull everything taut. The bangs also help to camo the hairline. Super simple and easy. Now let's get on to the next style. Okay, so this was the next option. A cute little half up, half down. Always does the trick. And again, make it a little messy. And that's the way you can get away with your imperfections. Now let's try one more hairstyle. And you guys know I'm gonna go for my favorite. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed my claw clip, then you guessed correct. I went ahead and switched it up. Instead of doing the 2 little pieces in the front, I kind of did a little no baby hair, no parting flip over. And that came out really cute. Touched up the curls. And then we have a nice claw clip moment. Now this one is nice and full and long. So if you want to take and just spiral curl each piece, you could. But since it already has a little bit of va-va-voom to it, I'm going to leave it as is. And yeah, let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, love bugs, we are done with this look. This is the packaging. Let's go ahead and see what goodies are included inside. In this package, we did get our HD wig caps, and these are exclusive to Unice. We also got a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape, and this is simply just like ear tape, wig tape. You apply it to your lace and then on your skin and bond your wig down. Really good, and you have a couple extra strips. That way you can switch it out as you maintain your wig. We also got the melt belt, which I ended up using the one that was inside the packaging because I left the other one in the car. And then we also got the baby hair brush, and this one here is very unique to Unice. I've only seen them do these, and they're like the deluxe kind of baby hair brush where you have the rat tail end on one side, you have your comb and your brush on the opposite side, and you also have a interchangeable brush. So when this one gets a little icky and caked up, you have a nice fresh one to switch it out. So this is really, really nice. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I will have a direct link and all the details to this wig down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.